Hey there, welcome back. This week I'm excited to share our Easter celebrations with you, which turned the long weekend into a cozy and culinary adventures here in the UK. Join me as we embarked on a journey of inspiration, creativity, culinary delight, and simple joys amid the blossoming of spring in London. Let's kick things off with some Easter and spring decor inspiration. We visited Flying Tiger and spotted adorable pastel dishware and notebooks. Even though I wasn't planning to buy anything, H&M Home revealed tempting displays. I'm still regretting not snagging those cute blue teacups and saucers. We finally headed to Poundland, which provided materials for some DIY crafts I had in mind. Back home, it was time to dive into the Easter DIYs. I wasn't really a fan of the original color of the eggs, so I decided to paint them in soft pastels. The old paint presented some challenges though, I really need to buy a new one. And in result, it made an excess of green paint, but that's fine, I just had more green eggs. Once the eggs were printed, I decided to add delicate white speckles. The rabbit also got a green makeover, albeit I made a few mishaps. I wanted to make some dots with Q-tip that didn't work at all, so I decided to add a pink touch-up. I wouldn't say that those DIYs are my finest work, but they serve their purpose. Next up is food shopping, so we decided to explore some neighboring stores, indulging in delights from an Italian deli which had a really great selection of yummy items. And then we went to a cheesemonger. Decided to select the finest raw milk camembert. Trust me, you haven't really experienced camembert until you've tasted the raw milk one. It's gonna be very stinky, but well worth it. With ingredients in hand, I decided to tackle the dessert. So this day I wanted to make an apple tarte tatin using homemade puff pastry I had in my freezer. And I used a recipe from Claire Safit. I really enjoy her work. They always present some kind of challenge, but I like the challenge, and the end result is always delicious. I just slightly twisted the recipe using Calvados, which is an apple spirit, instead of the brandy she recommended. I think it went well with the theme of the recipe. While the tart baked in the oven, I decided to decor the living room and table with our DIY creations, and I also added some fresh flowers. As the aroma of the cooked apples filled the air, it was smelling really nice, I decided to prepare the caramel for the tarte tatin, which will be on the bottom of the tart pan. Caramel brought back like very nice memories of cooking with my grandmother when I was younger. While I was focusing on the tarte tatin, my boyfriend was preparing the lunch, so we made delicious lamb dish with potatoes in the oven. Past feast, we took a leisurely stroll in the park, looking at the beauty of the blooming flowers and the budding trees. Despite that it was very windy and overall not the best weather, we still had a great time. Back home, we finally savored the slice of the delicious tart tatin I made, and it was a perfect ending to our Easter celebration. I really like this recipe and will definitely make it again. So that's a wrap on our Easter festivity this year. I hope you enjoyed your own time off during this time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.